AWS Athena is a serverless, interactive query service that allows you to analyze data stored in Amazon S3 using standard SQL. It's designed for quick, ad hoc analysis of large datasets without needing to load data into a separate data warehouse. Here's a more detailed explanation. Key features. 1. Serverless. You don't need to manage any infrastructure, including servers, as Athena is fully managed by AWS. 2. Interactive SQL. You can query data directly in S3 using standard SQL syntax. 3. Fast results. Athena is optimized for speed and can deliver results in seconds. 4. Scalable. It scales automatically to handle large datasets and complex queries. 5. Cost-effective. You only pay for the queries you run, not for the underlying infrastructure. 6. Wide range of formats. Athena can handle various data formats, including CSV, JSON, ORC, Parquet, and Avro. How it works. 1. Point to S3. You specify the location of your data in an Amazon S3 bucket. 2. Define schema. You create a schema, table definition, for your data. 3. Run queries. You use a built-in query editor or other tools to run SQL queries on the data. 4. Get results. Athena executes the queries and returns the results. Use cases. 1. Data exploration. Quickly explore and understand large datasets stored in S3. 2. Ad hoc analysis. Perform one-off analysis on data without setting up a full data warehouse. 3. Business intelligence. Integrate with BI tools for dashboards and reports. 4. Log analysis. Analyze log files and other unstructured data. Advantages. 1. No infrastructure management. You don't need to worry about setting up, managing, or scaling infrastructure. 2. Fast querying. Athena provides fast query execution for quick insights. 3. Cost-effective. Pay-as-you-go pricing model allows you to optimize costs. 4. Easy integration. Seamlessly integrates with other AWS services, such as S3, Glue, and QuickSight. AWS Glue. AWS Glue is a serverless data integration service that simplifies the process of discovering, preparing, moving, and integrating data from various sources. It helps you prepare data for analysis by automating the extract, transform, load, ETL, process and organizing it within a central data catalog, making it easy to analyze and leverage for various applications. Key features and capabilities. 1. Serverless and scalable. AWS Glue runs without requiring you to manage any infrastructure, and it automatically scales to handle large amounts of data. 2. Data catalog. It provides a central, managed repository for metadata about your data, including schemas, file formats, and data quality information. 3. ETL automation. AWS Glue automates the process of extracting, transforming, and loading data from various sources, reducing manual effort and improving data preparation efficiency. Integration with other AWS services. AWS Glue integrates well with other AWS services like S3, Athena, Redshift, and EMR, allowing for seamless data integration and analysis. Data preparation tools. AWS Glue includes tools like DataBrew for visual data preparation and data quality checks to ensure data integrity. Cost-effective. You only pay for the resources consumed while your jobs are running, making it a cost-effective solution for data integration. Supports diverse data sources. AWS Glue supports a wide variety of data sources, both structured and unstructured, including S3, DynamoDB, RDS, and other databases. Scalable and adaptable. AWS Glue can handle both batch and streaming data processing and can be used to run complex ETL workflows. Flexible execution. It offers different execution options, including Apache Spark and Python Shell, allowing you to choose the best execution method for your needs. Data quality monitoring. AWS Glue Data Quality provides tools for monitoring data quality, detecting anomalies, and ensuring data integrity. AWS Glue and Athena are both AWS services for data management and analytics, but they serve different purposes. Glue is a fully managed ETL, extract, transform, load, service, meaning it helps you prepare data from various sources before analytics or machine learning. Athena is a serverless, interactive query service that allows you to analyze data directly from S3 using SQL. AWS Glue. Functionality. Glue is designed for data integration and preparation. It helps you connect to diverse data sources, transform data into a usable format, and load it into a target store. Key features. Data catalog. Glue provides a central data catalog that manages metadata about your data, making it easier to discover and organize. OETL workflows. Glue allows you to create and orchestrate complex ETL workflows, often using a visual interface or Python scripting. O scalability. It's a serverless service, meaning you don't have to manage infrastructure, and it scales to handle large datasets. Use cases. 1. Consolidating data from various sources into a central data lake. 2. Transforming data for machine learning pipelines. 3. Preparing data for analysis by Athena. AWS Athena. Functionality. Athena is focused on interactive querying of data stored in S3. You can use SQL queries to analyze your data directly without needing to move it. Key features. 1. Serverless. Athena is a serverless service, meaning you don't manage infrastructure and it scales automatically. 2. SQL support. It allows you to use standard SQL queries to analyze your data. 3. Data format support. Athena supports various data formats like CSV, Parquet, ORC, and JSON. Use cases. 1. Performing ad hoc queries on data stored in S3. 2. Analyzing log data or other structured/semi-structured data. 3. Using SQL queries to explore data before or after it's transformed by Glue. In essence, Glue helps you prepare data for analysis or other downstream processes. Athena helps you analyze data that's already in S3. They often work together, with Glue preparing data and then Athena being used to query and analyze the prepared data. AWS Glue and Athena have distinct service quotas, including those related to query length, table and schema versions, and data scanning. While Athena has a maximum query string length, Glue has limits on the number of schema versions and other resources related to its ETL and metadata management features. AWS Athena limits. Query string length. The maximum query string length in Athena is 262,144 bytes, according to AWS Repost Knowledge Center. CTOS partitions. An Athena create table as select, CTAS, query can create a maximum of 100 partitions. Table size. The maximum size of a row or column in Athena is 32 megabytes. Data scan limits. Per query data usage control limits, such as a maximum data scanned per query, can be configured to manage costs and prevent excessive data scanning, with a default limit of 10 megabytes per query. Other limits. Athena also has limits on the number of rows per query result page, default is 1000. AWS Glue limits. Schema versions. You can have up to 1000 schema versions per AWS account per AWS region, according to AWS documentation. Table limits. The default maximum number of tables per database is 200,000, and the default maximum number of tables per account is 1 million. These limits can be increased by requesting a quota increase. ETL processing. AWS Glue has various limits related to ETL processing, such as the maximum number of files that can be deleted in a single run, 1 million for snapshot retention and orphan file deletion. Other limits. Glue also has limits related to the number of dimensions and metrics and requests from certain connectors, for example, Google Analytics connector.